Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. We are back with a brand new video on respiration, which is also a vital sign. Hope so you guys are enjoying our videos. While enjoying the video, like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Without wasting much time, let's start the video. As today's video is on respiration, we should aware of what does it means. The respiration is defined as the act of inhaling and exhaling air in order to exchange oxygen for carbon dioxide is known as respiration. There are two processes involved in respiration: inhalation and exhalation. Inhalation or inspiration refers to the intake of air into the lungs. On the other hand, exhalation or expiration refers to the breathing out or the movement of gases from the lungs to the atmosphere. As we can see that inhalation and exhalation are both quite opposite processes. In inhalation, air is moving into the lungs, and in exhalation, gases are moving out of the lungs. There is another term which is ventilation. Ventilation is used to refer to the movement of air in and out of the alveoli. Breathing basically has two types: coastal or thoracic breathing, diaphragmatic or abdominal breathing. Coastal breathing, which is also known as thoracic breathing, it involves the external intercostal muscle and the other accessory muscles, such as the sternocleidomastoid muscle. It can be observed by the movement of the chest upward and outward. On the other hand, diaphragmatic breathing, which is also known as abdominal breathing, it involves the contraction and relaxation of the diaphragm, and it is observed by the movement of the abdomen, which occurs as a result of the diaphragm's contraction and downward movement. Characteristics of respiration. The features of normal respiration are rate, respiratory rhythm, respiratory quality or character, and the effectiveness of respiration. Rate or respiratory rate. It is normally described in breaths per minute. If a person is breathing normally and his depth in breathing is also normal, then his breathing is called eupnea. On second, the respiratory rhythm. It refers to the regularity of expirations and the inspirations. Normally, respirations are eventually spaced. Respiratory rhythm can be described as regular or irregular respiration. Respiratory quality or character. It refers to those aspects of breathing that are different from normal, effortless breathing. Two of these aspects are amount of effort a client must exert to breathe and the sounds of breathing. Usually, breathing does not require noticeable effort. The sounds of breathing is also significant. Normal breathing is silent. On 4. Effectiveness. The effectiveness of respiration is measured in part by the uptake of the oxygen from the air into the blood and the release of the carbon dioxide from the blood into the expired air. Factors affecting respirations. The factors that affect the respiration are as follows. There are several factors that influences the respiratory rate. Those factors include the factors that increase the respiratory rate. On the other hand, there are the factors that decreases the respiratory rate. Those factors that increase the rate includes exercise, stress, increased environmental temperature, lowered oxygen concentration at increased altitudes. And the factors that decreases the respiratory rate are decreased environmental temperature, certain medications like narcotics, increased intracranial pressure, alterations in respiration. Alteration or disturbance in the respiration can be caused by rate, volume, rhythm, effort or ease in the respiration. The alterations that are caused by the disturbance in the rate of the respiration are tachypnea, bradypnea, and apnea. Tachypnea is the quick, shallow breaths, and the rate is higher than the normal respiration. Bradypnea abnormally slow breathing. In case of apnea, breathing is ceased or there is no breathing seen in the patient. The alterations caused by the disturbed volume are hyperventilation and hypoventilation. Hyperventilation includes overexpansion of the lungs characterized by the rapid and deep breaths. On the other hand, hypoventilation includes underexpansion of the lungs characterized by the shallow breathing. The alteration caused by the disturbed rhythm is Kine-Stokes breathing. It includes rhythmic waxing and waning respiration, from very deep to very shallow breathing, and temporary apnea. The alterations caused by the disturbed ease or effort includes dyspnea and orthopnea. Dyspnea is the labored and difficult breathing during which the individual has a persistent, unsatisfied need for air and feels distressed. Orthopnea. It is the ability to breathe only in the upright sitting or standing positions. That's it for the day, friends. Hope so you enjoyed the video. Remember us in your prayers. Peace out.